Tiếng gì? Tiếng Bắc Lộ hay tiếng gì con?
Hello.
Tiếng bị Bắc Lộ không?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Lisa. Hello, Princess. Where is Lucy and Kay? Oh, where is Lucy and Kay?
Một ngày một năm gì?
Okay. Oh, I'm now early. I'm not late. I'm not late. Oh, where is your answer sheet? Did you put your answer sheet, class?
Yes.
Where is your answer sheet? Did you send picture?
Nếu bỏ mà 4 lít nước là nhiều lắm á. Ai sao uống hết đâu.
And then, who is not making homework? Oh my God. Who's not making homework?
Để tủ lạnh không hay để ngoài?
Cái này để sau con mà nó
Okay, Kay sends homework. And Lisa sends homework. Wow. Okay, and Lisa. Where is Princess homework? Where is your homework, Princess? Oh my God. And take a picture of your answer sheet and send to our group chat. That is important. Who sends the answer sheet to our class? Who sends answer sheet? It's Princess. Oh, it's Lisa sends answer sheet. Yes. Where is the answer sheet of the other in the class? Where? Where? Oh, there is Princess homework. May I see?
Nấu xong rồi để rồi đổ vô cái bình nước rồi rót uống.
Okay, class. Oh, where is Lucy and Kay? Where is Lucy and Kay? Let's wait for them.
Mình mới nấu thì mình chắc mình uống 2 lít nước đi.
nói chung là con thích cái bộ này nhất.
Hello, Kay. Good evening, Kay. Nice to see you again, Kay. Where is your answer sheet, Kay? You need to send picture. Send picture to our group chat. Your answer sheet. Who is Namsung? Okay, who is Namsung?
That's my company.
Oh, your company. Wow. You have a company, Kay. You are already own a company, Kay?
Con cảm ơn cô. Hey, Ken, đưa lại con sư này đi.
I'm ready with my reward. Yes, my reward.
Cái đầu luôn rớt đầu luôn á.
Không có thích cái bộ này không?
Okay, class. Hello, Lisa. How are you today, Lisa? Oh, that's good to know. Wow, that's a big capybara. Capybara.
Wow.
Wow. That's a cute capybara. Capybara.
Apple.
Capybara loves apple. My other student tell me capybara eats chocolates. Capybara eats cakes.
Pinchilings.
Okay, Lisa, did you had already your dinner? What did you eat?
Yes. I eat carrot, corn,
Wow.
and pizza,
Cute.
sandwich, and soup, and ice cream. And
Wow, that's a lot, Lisa.
Con có quà này.
Fruit.
Fruits. Wow. Hello, Kay. How are you today, Kay?
Fruit is apple and watermelon.
Wow, that's a lot, Lisa. Wow, you eat plenty of
And
food
Coke.
tonight.
And Coca.
Okay. Cocoa? Cocoa. What's that? Cocoa. Is that a chocolate?
No.
Okay, a drink. A drink,
Cola.
chocolate drink. A
Pepsi.
cola. Okay,
What?
Pepsi. You drink soft drinks. Okay. Hello, Kay. How are you today, Kay? Kay. Akin na yung milk tea ko. Akin na yung milk tea ko.
Nói ai được.
Bitiran mo ko.
Một cái kéo.
Di pa kami kumain, baby.
Mía cho em một cái kéo. Mía,
Oh, kikiam.
đưa cho em cái kéo.
Hello.
Nấu nó vô rồi.
Okay, Lucy. Hello, Lucy. How are you
Biết tôi dùng cái kéo
tonight?
đây làm gì?
What's that? What are you eating? Lucy?
Ờ,
What are you eating? A
Bread.
bread. Oh, what is the spread of the bread, Lucy?
Đó.
What is your spread of the bread?
ai mà được tươi xong ai mà xuống một thì chờ.
I didn't eat rice.
Dadapa ka pa.
Bây giờ nó nói như này
Sarap
không
ng
đựng cắt
kikiam.
mà không
Bread.
Bigyan kita Rochelle doon.
Roti.
Luto na yan?
này là
Lutuin mo.
không đựng dở ra
Pengi ako.
đúng không? Rồi dán
Wow, that's delicious. Okay. Is only that your dinner? Bread only, Lucy? Is that only your dinner?
That I will eat many.
Okay, very good. Next, how about Princess? Hello, Princess. You're early as ever, early bird. Have you already had your... Oh, what's that? A knife? Do you have knife,
Yeah.
Princess? What's that?
iPhone 17 Phone trời đi.
What's that? Is that a knife?
Ba.
Oh, that's dangerous. That's dangerous. May I see?
It's the teddy bear.
Oh, okay.
Cái kéo to.
không em
Did you had already your dinner, Princess?
The ready the chicken no.
Mm-hmm.
Rice,
Mm-hmm.
meat and fish and watermelon.
Wow, is the watermelon is peak season of watermelon? Is now summer in Vietnam?
Watermelon.
Is now what is the season now in Vietnam?
Vietnam.
Yes, what is the season? Summer, winter, or fall? Summer. It's now summer?
Vietnam. What is of Vietnam?
Oh, that your
Vietnamese.
country. What is the season now in your country? What is the season? Summer, winter, fall?
Summer. I like summer. I like summer.
Okay, summer. Did you had already go swimming at the beach?
Dền con
Did you have already go swimming at the beach?
khoai tây cà rốt
Mhm.
Summer is the pig.
Okay, wow. Good job. Now, are you ready, class? Are you ready, Princess, Lisa, Lucy?
Ready.
Lucy, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. How about Lisa? Are you ready, Lisa? Lisa, are you listening, Lisa? Lisa. Okay, let's start. Okay, our lesson for today is fun for movers.
Unit 36B.
Reading and writing. Wow. Reading and writing. Love you. Let's drink. Okay, now let's have, what is this? Let's have part 1. Put part 1 and write 1 to 6. Mm. Look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There is one example. Okay, please look at the picture, class. I will.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher E.
Mm-hmm.
What teacher E?
Oh, I'm drinking a milk tea. Yes, just a little.
And E.
Mm. It's a chocolate. It's a chocolate milk tea. Mm. There. Where is it? It's a
Milk tea.
yes, a milk tea
The I and the
with boba tea. Now, let's have the example. Okay, please read aloud the example, Lisa.
you was people going to this place to drink it and to their friend a coffee.
A cafe. Okay, this pronunciation, cafe. Cafe. Hello, Kay. Now, class, let's answer number 1. Who wants to answer number 1? Okay, number 1 is Princess. Number 2 is Lucy. Number 3 is Kay. Number 4 is Lisa. Okay, you may start now. Please read number 1, Princess.
Number 1. Hello. You baby and here in this library.
Wash your baby and your hair in a library. Is the library what is that in library? Books. Library is for books, Princess. Okay, which place we can wash our hands or our hair? In a bathroom. Okay, where is it? Okay, it's shower. Correct. Next, number 2. Who is number 2? Lucy.
Your kids and eat in the fry or beef for this
What's that?
or food.
Okay, where?
A fruit. A fruit.
Mm-hmm. Are you sure it's a fruit, Lucy? You sit and eat in a field. You sit. We are sitting. In a field with grass. Yes. Where is it?
Picnic.
Very good. A picnic. Next, number 3. Okay. Please read aloud number 3.
No, teacher.
You go up or number 3. You can buy. What's the answer?
You can buy food and clothes here.
Okay, where is it?
Market.
Yes, a market. Correct. Very good, Kay. Next, number 4, Lisa. Lisa. Oh, please unmute now, Lisa. Unmute now, Lisa. We can hear you. Lisa. Go, Lisa. Okay, go.
You go up or down below in this.
Okay, where is it? Okay, you go up or down between floors in this. What is this?
Oh yeah.
This is a
This is a market.
No, it's not a market. We have already availed the market.
Nhanh nhanh nha nội
Cái nướng phải đợi chứ.
You can go up.
Nướng phải đợi.
You can go down. Okay, where is it?
đẹp lắm rồi.
You can go to first floor, second floor, third floor. Where is it, Lisa? Where is it, Lisa?
Online.
Okay, lift. A lift. It's an elevator. Lift. Correct. Now, number 5. I will answer number 5. Apples, bananas, lemons, oranges are example of fruit. Okay, who wants to answer number 6, class? Who wants to answer number 6? Okay, Kay, number 6.
5.
You can read.
You can read book here. Take them home to read. Library.
Yes, very good. Library. Wow, our exam is so easy. Yes, good job. Now, class, put on your paper, on your pen and paper, part 1 to 6. Okay? Number 1 is a shower. Put it on number 1, a shower. Are you done, Lucy?
Yes.
Okay, how about Princess? Are you done?
Merry Christmas.
Lucy. What's
Merry
that?
Christmas.
Oh, you have a food. Oh, what's that, Lucy? Milk and bread. Wow, a perfect pair. Number 1, the answer is a shower. Number 2 is a picnic, a market, a lift, fruit, a library. Okay, put part 1, 1 to 6. Okay, 1. Are you done, Kay? Princess, how about you, Princess?
Yes.
How about Lisa? Are you done, Lisa?
I'm not finished.
Okay, not yet. Please wait. That instead of not finish, you can answer not yet. Please wait. I love the milk tea. It's so chocolatey. The milk tea. It's so energizing. The milk tea. Okay, are you done, Lisa? Not yet?
No.
Let's wait for Lisa, class. Okay. Okay, finish? Finish, Lisa? Not yet. Oh, you don't need to answer to copy this one.
No.
Only this one, the answers. You
Yes.
only need to answer to copy.
21 times.
1 to 10? Is this 1 to 10?
I finished.
Okay, now we are done. Let's proceed to the next. Okay, what is this? I will just erase this one. What we have here? Part 2. Look and read. Write yes or no. Let's have the example. Please read aloud the example. Princess, a pirate.
A pirate is sitting on a box. No.
Okay, where is the pirate? There.
Sitting May I go out?
Okay. Okay, Lucy.
No, the box is
What is that? If it's not a box, what is that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yes
No.
or no?
No.
Okay, let's check your answer. What's this? Yes,
What?
it's sitting on a box. Now let's have the next example, Princess. There are,
There are 6 people in the picture. No, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 people. No,
yes,
6 people.
that is our answer, yes or no only. Is everything clear, class? Is everything clear, Kay? Yes or no only. Okay, let's proceed to our part 2. Part 2, let's have the question. Question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is Lucy. Question number 2 is Lisa. Number 3 is Princess. Number 4 is Kay. Okay? Lucy,
Okay.
the girls are
Game badminton. It's
yes or no?
yes.
Okay, no. What are they playing? What are they playing, Lucy? What are they playing? They're playing touch ball. What's that? What game is that, Princess? Kay.
Teacher, I know the touch ball.
Yes, is this a touch ball, Kay? Is that a touch ball?
Yes.
Yes, it's a touch ball, not badminton. Okay, next, number 2, Lisa. Please answer number 2. There is
a green and yellow parrot. Vô Phạm Minh Khang đậu vào. Nói câu đó. Đậu vào Nam Sung á.
okay. There is a green and yellow parrot.
Đi gì á.
Okay, on the boy's shoulder. No, the answer is no. Okay, next, number 3, Kay.
What?
Oh, Princess. Sorry, Princess. Go, Princess. You can do it. Go, Princess. Go, 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 go.
Big brown monkey climbing a mountain. No, the monkey climbed the tree.
Okay, no. Next, number 4, Kay. A woman. Number 4, a woman, Kay. Kay,
Yes.
please read aloud number 4.
A woman with a red skirt, got a bowl of pineapple. Yes.
Yes, a woman with a red skirt has got a bowl of pineapples. Yes. Okay,
Is that-
number 5.
Is that
Who wants to answer number 5? Okay, Lisa.
there is a big snake in the tree above the crocodile? No.
Okay. Where is the crocodile?
Is here. Crocodile.
Okay,
Is-
here. Yeah, the answer is no. Okay, next, number 6. Who wants to answer number 6?
Me.
Okay, number 6, Lucy. Go, Lucy, number 6. A man and a woman.
As crossing the river in the boat.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, the answer is yes. Good job, class. Now, put 1 to 6, part 2. Are you done, Kay?
Yes, I'm
Lucy.
ready.
Oh, well, yes, we are ready. Are you done putting your answer sheet?
Yes.
Wait. Ayan. Open. Open, open. Okay. Thank you for waiting. Now, pumpkin pie. That's not potato pie. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, now, are you done putting your answer sheets? Part 2, 1 to 6. Are you done, Lucy?
Yes. I finished.
Okay, finish. Princess, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to the next.
Thằng bị vỡ.
Wow. Okay, we will finish this too early. We can play a lot of games. Okay, let's have part 3. Read the text and choose the best answer. Okay, let's have the example. Please read aloud, Kay.
To the best answer.
Okay, what's this? Nick. Hello, Jane. What's the answer?
Hello, Nick.
Yes, the correct answer is letter A. You can choose A, B, or C. Now let's proceed to part 3. We are now at the part 3. Okay, put 1 to 6. Part 3, 1 to 6. Please answer number 1. Okay, number 1 is Princess. Number 2 is Kay. Number 3 is Lucy. Number 4 is Lisa. Go. Number 1. What's the answer, Princess?
B.
Okay. Please read aloud.
I went to see Kim in your new house.
Okay. Where did you go at the weekend? The answer is B. Correct, Princess. Very good. Now, let's have number 2, Kay. Number
Where
2.
do she live now?
Mm-hmm. In your house, Kay? In your house? In the lake? Okay, what is the correct answer?
It's A.
Letter?
A.
Letter A? No, in a village. Okay, next, number 3. Lucy, number 3. Lucy, number 3.
There 8. 8.
Okay. Does she like her new home? Okay, please read aloud first. Does she like her new home? What's the answer, number 3? A, B, or C?
A, B, C. So 1, 2, 3. What song, Kay?
Okay, the answer, number 3 is
A, B, C, D, E,
letter B. Yes, she does. Okay, next, Lisa. Please read aloud, Lisa. Number 4.
Brother Ben, he tall with brother hair.
Yes.
A, he 5. C, he 8. B,
Okay, what's the answer?
B.
Are you sure, Lisa? How's her brother, Ben?
B5.
What's the answer?
B5.
Okay, let's letter A. Number 5. Who wants to answer number 5? Okay, I will answer number 5. What did you do with Kim on Saturday? What did you do with Kim? Shh. We swam in the sea. Letter C. Okay, number 6. Who wants to answer number 6, class? Number 6, who wants to answer? Princess.
Yes.
What's the answer, number 6?
Number 6. Alright, can I go with you? You choose something and pen one day. Okay.
Okay, is that correct? Are you sure? So do I. Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Okay, it's letter A. Okay. Yes, it's correct. It's correct, Princess. Okay, class, that is our answer, part 3. Okay, please put on your answer sheet, class. Double check your answers if it's correct. You may start now. Put your answers.
Teacher
Answer.
Papa write in the paper or
Yes.
write in
Paper
the
also. We put it all in a paper. We are in exam. Yes. Are you done, Lucy? How about Princess? Did you put already your answers, Princess?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, are you ready or done? Yes, I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, how about Lisa? Are you done, Lisa?
Yes.
How about Kay?
Teacher.
Yes. Okay, go. Okay, let's start. Kay, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, let's start with next. What is this? Part 4. Read the story. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word. Text to numbers 1 to 6. There is one example. Okay, the example, please read aloud, Princess.
The Anthill family lives on a farm. They have a lot of animals, sheep, cows, chicken, and horse.
Okay, that is our example. Okay, number 1. Number 1, Lisa. Number 2, Princess. Number 3, Kay. Number 4, Lucy. Okay, please start. Number 1. Choose your answers from here, class. Choose carefully. Okay, there. You may start now. Please read aloud story number 1.
Sally and her family.
Okay, what's the answer, number 1? Okay, number 1. Who is number 1? Lucy?
Me.
Okay, Lisa.
Question 2, Paul.
Okay, what is number 1, Lisa? What's the answer? She gave turn some. Okay, the answer is
Carrot.
car. Car. There is no Carl. Car. Is this your
Carrot.
answer? There's no
Carrot.
car.
Carrot.
This one, car. Or carrots. Okay, this one, carrots. Okay, let's check your answer, Lisa. Carrots. Wow, correct. Very good. Next, number 2. Number 2. Please answer number 2. What's the answer, number 2? Okay, who is number 2? Who is number 2, class?
Not me, I'm number 3.
Okay, Princess.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, number 2 is Lucy.
No, number 2 is me. Me.
Okay. Please answer number 2.
Goodbye. And Friday, that is the rose. The rose.
The answer is
The rose.
the
Rose.
road. Okay, let's check. What's this?
Clothes.
Close. Very good. Correct. Number 3, Kay. Kay, number 3.
Trên nó buổi tiếng. Cô Mai có ăn không? Cho chị với 5 cái lượng. 3 cái.
What's the answer? Sally went to school in Dad's.
Không biết đâu.
Sally went to school. Okay, who is number 3? Kay.
Me.
What's that? What you're eating?
Sally went to school in Dad's hall.
Okay, the answer is car.
Cassie.
Dad's car. Okay, correct. Next, number 4. Lucy, number 4.
Yes.
What's that?
Forest.
Lucy, why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? Oh my God, Lucy. Are you sleepy? Are you hungry? Oh, no. Okay, Lisa is smiling. Okay, what is number 4, Lucy?
In class that morning, the teacher built a house on the road.
Okay, is that correct? Road?
Yes.
Okay, let's check your answer. Are you sure, Lucy?
No.
Oh, no. What's your answer? Okay.
A
Oh, I have
bird.
itchy nose.
A bird.
Okay.
A bird.
Okay, a boat. Board, yes. And number 5 is Sally started to draw cloud. She looked out the window. There was a cloud. Look at the children and said the teacher, there's a horse in the playground. You can draw it. That's my horse, said Sally. The children laughed. After the class, Sally is number 6. What's the answer, number 6?
Buổi thì con ăn.
Number 6, Sally. Sally what? Sally.
I think I.
Okay. Rode. Rode the. Okay, please finish this class. Oh, how many?
I finished, teacher.
Oh, that's good. You finished already. Wait. I will send this to our group chat. Our screenshot.
Teacher.
Okay. Hello, Kay. What are you eating, Kay? Is that a peanut, Kay? Oh, what's that?
Oh, peanut.
You know, peanut is good for our brain. Eating peanuts.
For my way.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you done, Lucy? Kay? Princess? Number 1 is carrots. Number 2 is
Đi nước bụi thì
cloves.
con ghét,
Are you done,
con ghét con bụi,
Lucy?
con ăn được.
Lucy, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, how about Lisa? Finish?
Yes.
Okay, finish? Princess?
Yes.
Okay, now let's proceed to, what's this?
Teacher,
Part
write,
4.
write in the notebook.
Yes, we put it on a notebook. Yes, we needed to put on a notebook and send to our group chat. Why?
Wait.
Why?
Teacher.
Why? You need to put it on your notebook. Oh my God. This is an exam.
Why?
Okay, you
No,
want to go back?
no.
Okay, wait.
No part 4. One teacher.
Okay,
It's part 4.
number 4 is board. Please finish this one, Lisa. What's this? Miam, what's this?
I finished.
Hot cake. Have this. How about this? What's this? Pizza. Are you done? Okay, finish. Let's proceed to, what's this? Part 4. We are now on the part 4. Now choose the best name of the story. Oh,
Goes to school.
Cloud has a lesson. Cloud goes to
No.
school. The teachers draws Cloud. Okay, the answer is correct. Cloud goes to school. Wow.
I think
This is number 7. Part,
I think the cloud go to school.
yes. That is number 7, class. Put it on your answer sheet.
Yes.
Are you done?
Đây thì ngồi thì con
No, I don't finish.
chị hai ăn.
Chị không ăn
Oh, what is it, Lisa? What is it? Not finished?
Go to school.
Okay, copy that one. Number 7, Cloud goes to school and put some check.
I finished, teacher.
Okay, are you all finished? How about
Yes.
Princess? Lisa, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to the next. Now let's have, what is this? Part 5. Look at the picture. Okay, oh my God. Wait. Look at the picture and read a story. Write words to complete. What happened? Write words to complete the sentences. Oh my God, who presses that? Oh my God, what happened? Now, please read aloud. Okay, on Sunday.
On Sunday, Tim went to the mountain with his cousin.
Parents.
In the afternoon, it snowed. At home that evening, Tim was very ill. You got temperature. Tim is Mom said, "Have some soup and then go to bed." Food that is one and soup. He was hungry.
Okay, very good. Again, please read aloud. Okay. On Sunday, on Sunday, okay. Please
Yes.
read aloud. On Sunday, Jim went.
On Sunday, Jim went to the mountain with their parents. In the afternoon, it snowed. At home that evening, Jim wasn't very well. You got a temperature, Jim. His mom said, "I have some soup and then go to bed." But he didn't any soup. He wasn't hungry.
Okay, very good. Next, Lucy, please read aloud, Lucy. On Sunday. Lucy, where are you, Lucy? Oh, what's that?
Dad!
Okay. Okay, Lucy, what happened? Maybe you're sleeping. Okay. Now,
The camera!
why you turn off camera? Maybe you're sleeping. Okay, on Sunday, please read aloud so I can check your pronunciation.
To the mountain happened. In the afternoon, it snower as the
Mình nó nướng
you have got a temperature. Tim Hill mom says, "Have you soup to go to bed?" But didn't want any soup. You had hungry.
Okay, now repeat after me. Temperature, temperature, hungry, hungry.
I'm hungry.
Yes, afternoon, afternoon. Very good. Okay, Lisa, please read aloud.
Teacher.
Yes, okay. Lisa, where is, oh, okay, there you are, Lisa. On Sunday.
Sunday, Jim went to the mountain with his parents. In the afternoon, it showered at home that evening. Jim was very well. We've got a temperature. Jim. His mom says, some soup and then go to bed. But what any soup? He was hungry.
Okay, repeat after me. Mountains, mountains.
Mountain.
Parents, parents.
Parent.
Evening, evening.
In.
Hungry,
bỏ chữ này
hungry.
đi, chữ này cậu đó.
Hungry,
Hungry.
very good. Okay, let's have the example. Please read aloud the example.
Cậu cũng
Jim
nói,
and his.
cậu cũng vậy thôi.
Okay, Princess. Jim and his.
Jim and his parents went to last Sunday on Sunday.
Okay, correct. Next, Lucy. Oh my God, Lucy, you're sleeping. On Sunday. On Sunday afternoon.
On Sunday afternoon, it's
Snowed. Okay, good job, class. Well done. Okay, we are done with the reading. Let's proceed to the next. Okay, it's now finished. Oh my God. No. Okay, well, let's have part 5. I will read for you, class. On Sunday, Jim went to the mountains with his parents. In the afternoon, it snowed. At home that evening, Jim wasn't very well. You've got a temperature, Jim. His mom said, have some soup and then go to bed. But he didn't want any soup. He wasn't hungry. Okay, number one, question number one. Okay, Princess.
Ai nói gì?
Jim has a
Ai nói gì?
temperature.
No, no, no. No, 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 no. Give me.
Temperature.
Ai?
Jim had a temperature on the đúng vậy nha. Hội đồng
Mhm.
hội đồng con trai.
Okay,
Hội đồng
Jim
con
had
gái hội đồng.
a temperature. Very good. Number two. Number two, Lisa.
Này tầm bậy quá, phải đừng nhắn thôi.
Jim didn't have.
Jim
Mấy bạn này
didn't
tầm bậy,
have
đừng
a
nhắn tin nữa.
temperature on Sunday evening. Thôi.
Okay, didn't have. Okay, didn't have.
Teacher write in the
Bạn này
paper.
tào lao quá.
Yes,
Tao
you
lên-
write it in the paper. 1, 2.
Đừng có nói chuyện.
Part.
Rồi.
It's part 5. Okay, the answer is soup. The answer is soup, Lisa. Okay, please write to your paper, class, and we will proceed to the next.
Đâu? Xóa rồi.
Are you done? Okay.
À, nhớ rồi. Mọi người còn tao mày là mọi người chứ mày là đéo. Rồi.
Okay, are you done, Princess
No,
Lisa?
teacher, no.
No, not yet. You need to put it on your
Anh
paper,
nha.
class. Oh my God. You need to put it on your paper, your answer sheet. So
Teacher,
the...
can I go drink water?
Okay,
Get a
go.
soup.
Okay. Are you done? Princess, Lucy. Okay.
Không có đọc tin nhắn nữa.
Okay, that's good. Now let's proceed to the next. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, please read aloud. Princess, go, Princess.
Yes,
Bill and Nick took the ball.
Bill and Nick took the ball with them because they went to play with it in the water.
Water.
Whose is
Water.
water. Whose was temperature.
But
Whose is with temperature.
difficult.
Difficult. Because they can't stand up very well. That's the friend to by see animal at the bottom of the sea. Near point at some time near a busy cell. Bill come is up and then they swam back to the beach. It your Jesus needs Bill
Shouted.
shouted. They look at the pictures, whose they clothes went there, then to show their rest out in the water too.
Okay, very good. Bill and Nick took the ball with them because they wanted to play with it in the water. But it was difficult because they couldn't stand up very well. Then they tried to find sea animals at the bottom of the sea. Nick pointed at something near a big shell. Bill picked it up and they swam back to the beach. It's your t-shirt, Nick, Bill shouted. They looked at the big rock, but their clothes weren't there. Then they saw their red towels In the water too. Oh, now please answer number 3, Kay. Number 4, Lucy. Number 5, Princess. Number 6, Lisa. Go.
What number me, teacher?
Number 3. Who is number 3?
What Lucy what number me?
Number 3, Kay. The boys tried. Number 3, Kay. The boys tried. Kay, number 3.
Đây kìa.
Học tập trung đi, chị nhắc con không vậy Khang.
Okay, go. Please answer. The boys tried.
The boys tired to play with their fish.
Okay, the answer is ball. Ball. Next, number 4. Number 4. Lucy. Number 4, Lucy.
I want the free.
They wanted to find some.
Some.
Yes, what they wanted to find.
Được, nghe thấy ăn được.
What they wanted to find. Sea animals.
Sea animals.
Okay. Now let's have number 5, Princess.
That swamp is also one of the teacher.
Yes, what is it? Swamp. Bill. Okay, number 6, Lisa. There.
Đi đã sai rồi. Oh no. There. Oh no. Oh no. There.
What is it?
There. Red other two.
Okay, the red towels in the water too. Okay, now please put it on your answer sheet, class. We are done with our class. We're gonna finish this one.
Teacher, I mean, wait.
Okay. Okay. Put it on your paper.
Teacher, it's my time.
Are you done, please, Lucy?
Teacher, it's night time.
Yes, I know. What's that? Are you done? Are you done, class?
No.
Lisa, are you done?
No.
Not yet. Not yet.
No.
Say not yet.
No, stop. Chị bảo là mấy bạn gái thì nói thì phải có
Who are you?
Các bạn gái này nói chung là không có lịch sự. Con gái mà nói chuyện mà.
Em bạn nó bao nhiêu tuổi? Bằng tuổi em á.
Okay, finish? Not yet?
Bạn em cũng nói tao mày mà. I finish. Bạn em nói nữa.
Okay, all done, class? Lucy, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, now. Oh my God.
It's night time.
Yes, wait.
Đừng nói chuyện.
Oh, it's almost part 6. Oh my God. Okay, let's have a game, class. Let's have a game.
I'm sleeping.
Oh, you don't want to play a game?
Yeah, I'm sleeping.
To play a game, class?
Okay.
Mấy bạn mắc dạy quá.
Let's play a
Bye bye.
game.
Yes.
Okay, what game do you like? Wait. I will find the game. No, don't do that. Do you like this one? Do you like this game?
Yeah. American football, please.
This one.
What's that?
You don't like this one?
What?
I will find another one.
Kahoot. Kahoot teacher.
Do you like words, class? Words.
No.
Oh,
No.
okay. Words.
Teacher. Word.
Words. Words, cake. Words. Okay, wait. Okay, this one. Okay, choose your number. Wait,
I think
what
one.
happened?
I think one.
Team 1
Teacher,
is
can I?
Team
With
1 is
princess,
Lucy
teacher?
and Lisa.
Yes,
Team 1,
sir.
Lucy and Lisa. Princess and Kay, Team 2. Go. Lucy and Lisa.
One.
Choose your number.
One.
What number? What
One.
number, Lucy?
Two.
Number 2. Okay, what is it?
Blue.
It's color blue. Correct. Next, Team 2. Lucy, a princess. 7. Okay, what color is it? Kay.
Yellow.
That's not yellow. That's a coin.
Gold.
Yes, it's a gold. Very good. Next,
Green.
3. Okay, 3. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yes, that is the color yellow. Next,
10.
10. Okay, 10. What's the meaning of this? Wow. Next, Team 1.
Đó là sự phải trả giá.
Team 1. What number? Lucy, Lisa? Lucy, Lisa? 15. Okay, what is it? What color is it? It's black. Okay, next, Team 2.
The kite.
Number?
Number
8. Okay. How many bananas?
4.
Okay, 4 bananas. Next, Team 1. Team 1.
12.
Number?
12.
12. What is it? How many kites do you see?
7.
Okay, it's number 7. Next, Team 2. Oh,
1.
1. Oh my God, is that capybara? Is that capybara, Kay? What is that? What color is it? What color? Brown. Okay, correct. Next, Team 2. Team 1, sorry. Lucy and Lisa.
9.
11. How many books?
5.
Okay, it's 5 books. Next. What number, Kay? Princess?
9.
9. Okay, what is it?
What?
It's color white. Next.
13.
13. How many cars?
5.
5 cars. Okay, next. Team 2. 6. Okay, what is number 6?
3.
3 balls. Last 4.
5.
5. Yay. Okay, next. Oh, it's a tie. 4, 14, 16.
Rồi rau con.
Được rồi. Nhưng mà có con răng của bố.
What number?
Four.
Okay, 4. What is it?
The mouth.
Yes. This
Mouth.
one is?
Mouth.
Okay, it's a mouth. Next.
It's
a
16.
16. Okay. No, it's only 5 points. Next. How many socks?
Have 6.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 socks. Who's the winner? Okay, the winner is Team 2. Yes. Okay, let's have a reward class.
Chắc chắn là cũng thua luôn rồi.
Reward.
Nhưng mà
Reward. Where's the reward, Liam?
cô bảo là Thi đi rồi bữa sau ai thắng thì sẽ cô thưởng là cô chúc mừng chứ không phải cô thưởng. Cô chúc mừng.
Where's the reward, Liam? Where? Where? The reward, where? Give me. Okay. 4 team strong.
Cái này cũng có thể là
Being on time. Where's the other one? Cake. Where's the cupcake? Where? Where? Okay. Doing homework. Yes, good job helping each other. On task of our every lesson, participating in our interactions in our lesson. Remember last lesson, and teamwork and working hard. Okay, wait.
Teacher, can I see the Timo class 1?
Ay, nako. Where's the cake? Yeah, where? Where? Give me. Give me, give me. Give me. Other one. Give me more. Okay, our top one is more.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I see the Timo class 1?
Oh, what is the team strong? Angel,
No.
Jack, Johnny.
No,
Where?
teacher, the Timo class 1.
This one, Team Magic.
No,
Where?
this.
Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing. Okay.
What is the 10th class, teacher?
Yes. Okay, now let's have the first. Our top one for tonight is... Okay, top one for tonight is give to Kay. Kay, our top one. Yes, you're good on reading tonight. Yes. It's a cupcake. Top 2. Our top 2 is... Okay, Princess. Princess, top 2. Okay, do you like this, Princess? Hot. A patty cake. Hot cake. Yes. And our top 3 is... Top 3 is Lisa. Lisa. Yes, a milkshake. A milkshake. Very good. Our top 4 is Lucy. Lucy. Okay, this is for you, Lucy. What is this? A pizza. A slice of pizza. Okay, that's all for tonight, class. And do your homework. Good night. Bye. Bye,
Bye, teacher.
Princess. Bye, Lisa. Bye, Kay. Good night.